Ow. Alright guys, for today's video, as you can probably hear, and if you've been in my channel at all anytime before, it should be as no surprise to you that someone is mowing their damn lawn when I'm trying to make a video. Every single time. So try and ignore that as we talk about this. So, I have already done a video on installing the PCV fix kit and the catch can from Super Cruze and CruzeKits.com. They work together. If you get the catch can from Super Cruze, he buys the PCV fix kit from Cruze Kits and sends that to you as like a kind of a combo deal. I showed you how to install that, and then I did a 6-month update, which was about 2,500-ish to 3,000 miles or something. I wasn't exactly sure. I didn't look at how much mileage was on the car when I went and installed it, so that was kind of a guess. I filmed that back in mid of last September, and it is now currently close to the end of August, almost a year later, so just shy of 12 months. Since I installed the kit, I would say probably roughly 5,000 or so miles on it, or a little bit more. So this is going through right now. The last update I did it right after I did an oil change. So I'm just doing now another oil change on the car. So this will be a one oil change, 4,500-ish miles or so update, and about, I don't know, call it maybe 6,000, 6,500, 7,000 miles total from the install. We're sitting right at 128,000 and change for the mileage on the car right now. I think the last update was about 3,000 miles ago or something. I don't know. Anyways, this is a full oil change update. It's almost a year and a half, an 18-month update since I installed the kit on the car, and now we're going to check the catch can and see if we have anything that was caught in there. We've gone all the way through, well, mostly through all of the hot-ass southern summer, so I wouldn't be surprised if I picked up some water vapor, but let's check it out. There's almost a comical amount of threads on excuse me, on the catch can that I have to twist in. So this is what my catch can looks like inside after a full oil change cycle. And if you saw in the 6 months update, I didn't have to drain anything out because it caught nothing. So this is almost 18 months of driving my car. There you go. You can see right over there, that much oil in about 18 months, 6,500 to, call it 6,500 to 7,000 total miles. And that's what I got in my catch can. Excuse me. So on my last video about the update, Dave from the Super Cruze, someone asked him about it and he came and commented on it. This result here is apparently the result from a very healthy engine, which is good to know. Your mileage will vary, your results will vary depending on your car, how healthy the engine is, the driving conditions in which you drive, how much the leaking and stuff you need and all that. God, that friggin' lawnmower is distracting me. So this is mine. Now I have seen other people, and I just watched my last video just to make sure. One guy told me that, or he commented that he has to check his every 1,000 to 2,000 miles because it gets full up with water vapor. So his engine is obviously in a much poorer state than mine is. So if you do this, a catch can, either this Super Cruze things or the ZZP version of this, there is no set time frame or whatever that you need to check and empty out your catch can. That's going to come down entirely to you and your car and your situations. So again, I said in my last video, do I recommend, with my results here, do I recommend getting the catch can or just going with the Cruze kit? If I were to do it again, I would still get the one with the catch can. Okay, obviously I caught a little bit of blow by, which this is not terrible in any way, form, or fashion for what you can get. My car personally probably could have gotten away with just the kit without needing this, like just the fixed kit without the catch can, but I still would have gotten it with the catch can. Now, if you decide which way you want to go, do whichever way you want to go. I have my video of how to install this, shows you the layout and the running for with the catch can and without the catch can, so you can watch that same video for exactly how to do it. And you can just use this as information to decide whether or not you want to do the catch can in your car or not. It's just knowledge to use in your back pocket. But make sure if you do decide to use the catch can in your kit, instead of waiting a whole year or waiting 6 months like I do, maybe drive it around for a few weeks and see what you're seeing. If you don't see anything, maybe go another couple, 3 months or so, check it and see, and then at that point in time you can decide exactly how much you need to worry about emptying this out. If you do have a lot of stuff in here, you're going to want to empty it more frequently, especially if it's a lot of like water vapor that was caught in here, because if you're carrying around a lot of water in here and then it gets to be winter time or colder climates where it gets cold, that water will freeze and turn into ice, and it will kind of inhibit the flow of your PCV system in your engine. You'll throw all sorts of codes and have a bunch of issues. So, but yeah, there's my results. 18 months, about call it shy of 7,000 miles. Let's go between 5,000 and 7,000 miles over 18 months. Okay, this is what I got. What you may get, is what you may get. It's just what it is. You got to try it and see. But all right, guys, that's all I got for today. I don't get any money from these guys. They just both make either Cruze kits or Super Daves. They both make a product that can benefit especially 1.4 Ecotech Cruze engine car. I think everyone should at least do the PCV fix kit. If you want to do the catch can, do that as well. But I get nothing from these guys. But if you want to install these, go ahead, hit them up, get what you need to do, and it'll go on. You get it all done in the course of a few hours, and that'll be that. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I will see you next time.